Alright, what's up guys? We're at back alley heat pump heaven with Zach. He's into ACs and shit, so yeah, so there used to be 2 Yorks here and then a train right here. All of them got replaced. That's a heat pump now.
Oh yeah, it used to be an old train XL there. Yeah. We're just filming the
Yeah, we're not touching them if you don't mind, so. There you go, Armstrong. But yeah, they're like off-brand Lennox equipment.
Yeah.
That was like, I don't know, a friendly bus, I guess.
Yes. Friendly bus. That's over there. There's a bank down there.
Yeah, with carriers.
There's only 1 carrier left.
Damn.
There's two Yorks, 1 train now.
Yeah, those things are gone.
Yeah.
Carrier, base model, Comfort Series, whatever. Train XR. Yeah. I don't know. Those are like people's condos, so like.
I know, yeah, it's a condo.
Yeah, I'm good.
It's a weird place for units. Though.
I'm good. I see a lot of American Standard around here too.
Yeah, they mainly saw train and American Standards.
Yeah, and Air Temp is one I've seen like.
Yes, there's two air temps down by the Edgewater condos.
Oh, sick. All right, so I thought there used to be 4 here. I guess I'm wrong.
3, I'm not sure.
Yeah. Heritage 15, so they're heat pumps. Oh yeah. For the most part, they look pretty new. Yeah.
Yeah, they're new.
Silver Series. Got the Alliance compressor in them. 2021, yeah.
Yep.
And 2020. Yeah, so that one's running. All right, so we got.
There's a few over there. I think those are all older ones.
Okay, yeah, these are the 4 I was talking about.
They probably closed.
Yeah. No, this one was running.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What is it, like 2008 or something?
2010.
2010. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a 5-ton. Yeah, those are cool. That one's got an ECM fan motor. (2009). Last one. I doubt I'm gonna catch one starting up right now.
No, probably not. One thing I do want
We used to have like some kind of vintage thing, like a Fetters.
My neighbor?
Yeah.
I forget. My neighbor has
Yeah, this thing's old.
very interesting comfort maker. I'm not sure. I forget.
That coil is clogged. Pretty bad.
That's replaced the Train XB.
Yeah, so this replaced the Train XB I got started up in 2016 or something. Used to be 4 38 CKCs here, and these all got replaced in the last 2 years. Yeah, they're micro channel. York sucks. And then Train. But yeah, that's that. Last carrier right here.
replaced.
Oh, they both got replaced. Actually sounds nice. Yeah, it's an air temp. Yeah. Yes, these replaced yeah, why not? Those replaced 2 Carrier 38 YCC heat pumps. Oh, there's a Bryant back there, but it's kind of sketch.
Yeah, it looks sketch back there.
Pulling heat. All right, I gotta thank Zach for showing me this one because I did not know about this. I don't know if you already saw it, but I'm gonna start with this. That's actually got a standard coil.
Oh yeah?
Dripping condensate, 2-ton. Alright. This is a freaking York Champion tabletop. Probably from the 70s.
Yep.
Compressor in the separate compartment. That is cool. You do not see stuff like that anymore.
You think it's been running?
Holy shit, it has been.
It has been?
I think so. Look at this line.
It's an active business right here. It's an active business.
Look how kinked this line set is, dude.
Oh yeah.
That's crazy.
When do you think it's from?
Data tag used to be right here, but it's gone. Late 70s.
I can't believe it's still here. Well, we're gonna walk.
I'm gonna set up my phone away for a startup and then film those with this.
Yeah. Actually, one's old, one's new. That's a new one.
Oh, okay.
That's an old one.
Yeah, you're right. That's quiet. I didn't even know that was running from like right over there. 2 compressors.
2 compressors in it?
Yeah,
Wow.
it was running.
This is a newer one.
Yep, heat pump. Imagine getting those defrosting. Honestly, we can make it happen.
I know. I've never been here in the winter.
In a couple of years, just drive up. The original air conditioner Heaven Alley with Zach.
Yep.
So we got just train and ream and 1 Linux. Yeah, this alley really brings back memories for me. Yeah, I do think they're all heat pumps. So what I found out, Zach was telling me that the second floor of this building used to be stores and it's not like used anymore for storage. So these reams actually do not run. A couple of them may.
They don't run. These usually run, but the ones over there don't.
Okay.
You can tell where they go to.
Yeah, well the line sets go up. Okay. So 1997 4-ton Ream Classic 10 seer. It has not been running. Some refrigeration component. We're just filming ACs if you don't mind. Yeah, 1997 reams. Right here. Heat pump. So everything from here down runs, or?
Yes, these run. I've seen these 2 run.
Oh, okay.
The one's down there. This one doesn't run, and the one's down there don't run anymore.
Yeah, you can see how rusted that sight glass is. That's really bad. This is also, these are all 4 tons from 97. I remember that. Train with a Climatuf. There it goes. Where's the data sheet? Right here. XB10. Yeah, that's a heat pump. So there's that starting up. That's got a new motor in it. And this is like an off-brand Linux of some kind. It'd be kind of hard to get a shot of the data sheet. There it is. And then one last train. And there's that up there. It's got a really rusted Climatuf in it. So yeah, do one last walkthrough. Last time you'll probably see this place on my YouTube channel. So here we have a Linux Merit. Which replaced a carrier weather shield. So I kind of hate it for that reason. And then there's two Linux mini splits. And I wanted to show you this. There's a really rotted window unit. GE Samsung. So yeah, that's about it for that. In a Mana, which is really shaky. Fan's way out of balance. And a pain, I'm not going to go back to it. Quick shot of those. Alright, at a church, here we have a Train XR 14 SEER heat pump. Some other units here. That's from 2022. Yeah, almost brand new, dude. And a Train XB10 from 2004.
Those are older American standards, right?
Yeah, these are 90s, I think. Probably not in use. Big Alliance scroll compressor. Legion's 10 from 2000. Yeah, so there used to be an XL here from like 2015, you said?
Yeah, probably around 2015.
And it already got replaced. But cool stuff is that this looks like an XV20i.
Nice.
So yep. 2022, 5-ton, 20 SEER. Yeah, they're just very quiet. Nice.